Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your money from Cash App to your SoFi account in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or just managing your finances better, transferring funds between apps like these can save you time and hassle. First things first, make sure you have both Cash App and SoFi set up on your device. You'll need to link your SoFi bank account to Cash App if you haven't already. Open your Cash App and tap on the Banking tab at the bottom. This is where all your money management happens. Look for the Cash Out or Transfer option. It's usually right there for easy access. Next, select the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any limits. Cash App might have daily or weekly caps, especially for new users. Once you've entered the amount, choose your SoFi account as the destination. If it's not showing up, you may need to add it by going to Linked Banks and following the prompts to connect via your bank's routing and account numbers. After that, double-check all the details to avoid any mistakes. Hit Confirm and wait for the transfer to process. In 2025, these transfers are often instant or take just a few minutes, but it can vary based on your bank's processing times. Keep an eye on any fees. Cash App might charge for certain transfers, so check that in advance. Once it's done, you should see the funds in your SoFi account. Pro tip: always verify transactions in both apps to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into issues, like an error message, contact Cash App or SoFi support right away. There you have it. That's how you withdraw money from Cash App to SoFi in 2025. It's a simple way to keep your finances flexible. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.